Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add a sticky add to cart to your Shopify store and customize it to fit your store design. At first, I'm going to install Essential Sticky Add Cart app, which is completely free. Let's go to my store. Here I have the app. Let's start customizing the sticky cart. Here I see that default version looks pretty great. However, this is how my product detail page looks like. So I don't think that this design fits me. So let's go to settings. I don't want to show it for sold out products. I want it to be visible for both on desktop and mobile. When people add to cart, I'd like them to actually go to checkout. I love that. I will show the bar only when the add to cart button is hidden. What's that? Okay, I love the condensed width. I'll do the bottom position, and I'm not going to use a template because I want it to fit my website. So for the background color, I'm going to like dark so that it really pops. I don't need a border. I do need a drop shadow. Let's see how it looks like on mobile. And let's go back to product settings. I want to show product image, name, and price, as well as compare that price. However, we cannot see the name of my product. So let's change the colors of the font to white. Go to variant and quantity selector. Okay, I don't have variant, so I don't need the selector. As for quantity selector, that does make sense for me. The text color makes sense as well. I don't want any background color though. So I'm going to choose the background color of my sticky cart and set it here. Yep, now the font is not visible. So let's make it white. And let's take the text white as well. Lovely. I don't need a border or a corner radius. Let's proceed to other settings. Okay, as for my add to cart button, I want it to really pop. So let's choose a nice background color. Yep, I think it works. Okay, for text, let's do black. And I don't think I need any big corner radius. Okay, I can set a sold out button as well. I love it. The default will fit me. Okay, now let's go to an announcement bar. Okay, this is the color that I don't like. So let's try to find something that fits my website a bit better and is a bit more subtle. Maybe this pretty pink could work. I want something in the red family because I want to create urgency with this availability update that I saw somewhere out there and I think should really work to increase urgency to buy. It says that this is an availability update and due to exceptionally high demand, the stock is limited. If add to cart button is active, your selection is still available. I love that. I think it creates a great sense of urgency. I don't need a timer, but it's great that I can use that. How does it look on mobile though? It's quite okay. Let's go back and let's hit save. Okay, I still need to enable this so that it's visible on my store. Oh, and I see that I need to activate Essential Cart app in my theme. Let's do that. Let's hit save. Okay, my store is password protected. Let's hope that it worked. Let's go back. Yep. And now let's preview it on my page. Let's scroll down. Yep. And I see that my sticky card appears here. It really fits my page. And this pink announcement banner really highlights the availability update. So that's it. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Go download Essential Sticky Add to Cart and add a sticky add to cart to your store today.